know what I'm saying? We're actually getting ready to take this bad boy out. You feel it, right?
Oh, you got that one. Now, take it to your friend. We don't need no more. Whatever you say.
Yeah, I take that today.
Yeah. The simple we work with, less things better. Nice mount.
Yeah, I know. She's sitting by herself.
Yeah.
With no help.
Put it on the car.
Yeah, I put it right in the corner.
Oh, okay, that's right.
I'm taking it out today, so.
Don't scratch the car now. Okay, there.
I know my 100% job.
Nice. Oh, look at this shit. The Baco is loose. Wow.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
Bugging me over there.
No, I know it's gotta be said to really when I have hot rod, I went doing all these crazy adapters. I know how it is. But.
So, 2 months around. Secured. We know this. Okay then. Hey, Papa.
I got him on.
Okay. There's one outside for you in the car.
This one.
Okay.
Oh, it's working. What's that? Yeah. Got it again? Yeah. Oh, this one being opening, but that's the way we cut it. That's the way we cut it. Eh? Okay. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, much better.
So hit it one more time.
No, we haven't hit it more. Just want to make sure everything looks good.
You want to do from here? Yeah.
30.
Good. Good. Yeah, man.
Good job, looking for something. Yeah, a little bit.
Good idea.
But you don't want the car like that.
As you know, the person gonna get blamed is him.
Say you don't got time to waste, say.
Yeah.
Start and go. Right? Start and go.
Getting there. Shut up, ugly. I did.
Make sure you get my
The ugly side? We did every side?
Yeah, boss. You know the holes, eh?
Yeah, that's good enough. Right now we're doing the reinforcement bar.
What is it? Is the microphone?
Yes, sir. I got everything.
Sure.
Yes.